see it every day. So I'm having this way, but it's like a traditional Asian street food, which you really want to try. It looks so good. Looks so good. Also, here's the Kleinmarkthalle, which you've never been and never used it. Ah, it's here. Ah, now I know. Dankeschön. Yay! But this is our fridge just came today. We ordered like just 4 days ago, and like our fridge is so small, so it doesn't really fit there, I think. And we can move anyway, so we thought like maybe here is the best place in May's room, because there's like you can put the cable. You know what I mean? Let's see. It's almost tall as me. We never had like a big fridge. The fridge bag and oven was so small. See how it looks like. It was white, right?
It's RSM.
So, it's a cute one. Pretty cute actually. Ah, here like some bigger than the old one. Here the instructions. Is it? Oh, for eyes? Yeah, nice. Here's the instructions actually. We can figure it out. Yeah, you can set your temperature to temperature control and coolest to cool. Here's the freezer. Wow, we have so much space now. Like
I feel, yeah.
3, I mean, sorry, 3.
Frost control.
Nice. It's actually so cute. sitting.
I don't even notice the rain.
Oh, did I know we're gonna go out to bring my skateboard? Yeah, quiet. We actually didn't plan about it. This one like matcha, we can't addict to matcha.
I'm starting to fall. I don't even notice the pain. In so deep, I can't feel the ground. I've got every reason to stay, yours to keep, lost and then found. Hold on tight to every moment. Hold on to me. Your hands show me all your colors. Oh yeah, show me your light. Ooh, when you feel lost in the dark, I'm here, no, we're never apart. 'Cause I found shelter.
God, like, don't walk often here this way. But there's like a, it's called secondhand, right? There you can buy like DVDs and Blu-rays for like 2
We have this in
or 3
Offenbach.
euros. We have this in Offenbach. I never knew this existed. Like, it's open Tuesday, Friday and Wednesday. And today is Wednesday, so tomorrow's closed. You can only pay with cash. And we only had like 2
You,
euros.
but look at
Oh, it's
this.
like one of my favorite movies in this is in German, but in English it's just my luck.
Oh, yeah.
I love the movie so much because it's like always used to watch this because I love it's how Frankfurt Spine and McFly's in it. Oh, my favorite bands is why it's so good. We already know they're in it, that's why I want to watch it. And we know Chris Pine since Princess Diaries, but never liked him. Because he played like ass from the beginning, right? Later on, he was likable. And then I just liked it because of just my luck. I like it because of that role. After that, I became like a huge fan of him. Like, I'm on a holiday. So actually, I have like 7 days off because I have like full hours already full from work. So then you work until Sunday. Today is Wednesday. And I want to try the Super Chups watermelon flavor. Sparkling. Tastes so good. It's like so
Is it?
refreshing. Also, we bought grapes. And also, we don't have anything to eat for dinner. We didn't bought anything. Wait. Maybe grapes for dinner.
The next day.
Hey, today, April 27th. Just got some tickets. Gonna go watch a movie again. Because I have like Evil Dead twice. And first time I had like horror movie in English. Because I don't always have like in English some movies, special horror. So long times we watched last time was like Knock at the Cabin. But not our cinema. It's like other, the one, if you see my vlog, our store vlog. But yeah, today, nice weather though. The movie won't start till 8. So maybe I'm gonna go home. It's like early, it's like only 1. We went so early just to get tickets.
So
I
maybe
didn't know what that. Oh. There's a line. Mayo? I think ketchup might just fits really quick for blood. Frankfurt Germany. I don't know how to eat. So weird. Wait.
they'll try weird stuffs. Bless you, my child.
What the? $1 million bar. So crazy. Pop tarts. Oh shit. Überraschungsbox. Überraschungsbox.
This, oh God, it's sour.
Ja, dann echt so lecker.
Guck, wow. you do for the
We went
videos?
to inside here. It's like a pop-up store. They have like food and drinks. We bought so much just for the video thing. House of Sweets. We want to make a new video with our friend Lucas, like trying out like weird snacks, like snacks we never tried before.
It's like American though.
And actually like sweets. It's like actually American
Candies, yeah.
American candies and sweets and chocolates we haven't tried before. Also have like chips, like Cheetos. But for the sake of the video, it's so expensive here. Never see it again. Out and about again. Wash my hair. And all brand new. And you can see things again. Oh, I saw there's a summer rooftop. Summer already. Free entry?
Yeah.
DJ.
Free entry.
Drink and good vibe and das dippemess. Sachsenhausen. Lasky Hotel.
Where is that?
Anyone can enter?
After work.
After work, and I'm so hungry right now. Got this long time I haven't eaten like salad and this. You see it? Cucumbers, paprika, tuna, and cheese. Also good. Also Caesar sauce. Very good. Everywhere you go, it's so full.
They're like the fest.
Yeah, it's
The
like a
wine
fest
fest.
going on.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go.